the kids and my passion.
How to improve your child's ability to find similarities and differences of an object. In this activity, a timer is set to speed up the process. The child first select a card from the set and then select other card from the same set and select other two cards which match. Wow, he did! Oh, it's not same. So he flipped down the card. Then he flips a shadow card. It matched with the original card. Wow, he matched it. And the process continues with the rest of the cards. Flashcard games improves vocabulary and the ability to find similarities and differences that stimulate his thinking process and increase his confidence. Wow, it matched! Activity 2. In this activity, the child needs to match the card with respect to shape and its shadows. This improves his cognitive development skills and fine motor skills, which enhances visual perception. In my next video, I will show you how to make your own flashcards.
Thank you for watching my video.